Hey, it's Vivian, and it's been a while since I've done a WGU update, so I'm going to go ahead and just give you an update on what's been going on my end with my degree program and where I'm at right now. So if you've not seen my previous videos, and actually it says it right here what my program is, I'm in the Master of Arts Mathematics Education program, K through 6, and my entire plan, as you can see, is right here for what I've done so far. So you can see here I was enrolled in 30 credit hours, or I am enrolled in 30 credit hours. And all of the classes that are in blue are the ones that are completed. So you can see here in term 1, I've gotten through these courses, and I'm currently waiting on a performance task that's being graded for this one. So I'm thinking that that one should be done pretty soon, maybe within the next few days if I submitted a task without errors. And then, as you can see, this is what is left for what I need to finish. And you can see here also, it says here with the red dot that I am short credits. But of course, there's nothing I can do about that. I think the minimum is that you need to have 8, or 6 actually, because this is 6. So, wait a minute, no. Hey, this is Vivian, and it's been a while since I've done a WGU update, so I'm going to go ahead and give you a really brief one for where I'm at currently in my degree program. So as you can see here, if you've not seen any previous videos that I've done, the program that I'm enrolled in at WGU is the Master of Arts Math Education program, K through 6, and it's a 30 credit program. And currently, let me just show you kind of how this is laid out. I was originally slotted for 3 terms, and I'm hoping to decrease that by moving as quickly as I can through the courses. All the courses that are in blue are the ones that I've completed already. This one here in green under term 1 is the only one that is not complete yet, and currently I'm just waiting on a final performance task to be graded. So hopefully if there are no errors with that, that should be cleared within maybe a day or 2. I will say that the queue for that is very long. I remember when I submitted that, it was like, I think over 150 on the queue that I was positioned at. So, but the thing is with this class, it moves a lot more quickly than the performance tasks being graded for, say, graphing proportional reasoning equations, inequalities, and number sense functions. Those were just bigger, more bulky assignments that it took a long time for the graders to get through. But for these performance tasks, for the research questions and literature review that I've been doing, those have been going through really quickly, even though my number in the queue is higher. You can see here also for terms 2 and 3, you can see here term 2 dips into the shortage area, because I believe that in general, unless it's the final term that you're enrolled for, you need to have at least 8 credits. And so since this only has 6, it says there's a shortage. But I'm pretty sure that if they see a situation like this, where this will be completed and there's only 3 of these left, it shouldn't be a big issue. And it should be just addressed through the university that it's okay to have 6 credits for this term. But as you can see, I'm very close to getting this just bumped up into this term. So at that point, I will be able to safely say that I can finish my program in 2 terms. What I'm really hoping, though, is that I can finish it in 1 term. Currently, even though I'm not really completely officially finished with this course, I've already started reading and preparing for this, so that once this is finalized and this is approved as an enrolled class, all I'll have to do is refer to my notes while I do the performance tasks. And that's actually the strategy that I used for this. While I was waiting for geometry and stats to be graded, I just went ahead and started reading these. Even though I didn't have access to the performance tasks, I could still have all of the information that I needed in order to complete the tasks successfully when I had access to them. And yeah, so research design, all the research classes, really helpful if you already have done research or if you have, experiences with research. I had a lot of experience already, so it's been relatively easy to go through everything. Although there was a lot of stuff that I realized that I forgot about because it's been a while since I've taken a research methods class. But it's been very helpful to be able to, read through it, and I definitely applied what I've been learning in the readings to my assignments. So that's pretty much all there is left for an update. I'm trying to think if there's anything particular that might be helpful for you. I really think that's all there is. Of course, if there's anything that I think of that I feel like you need to know, then I will just do another update. All right, so until later, bye.